Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Shailaja Dhumar, your literacy subject teacher. Children, I hope you all are amazing at home. So children, today we are going to learn a very interesting content which is days of the week. Okay, and the content is from literacy skill book. So I hope you have already settled with literacy book kit. Yes? Yes. Now children, tell me how many days are there in a week? Yes? Use your logic. Think, come on. How many days are there in a week? Yes? Total 7 days are there. Total how many days are there? 7 days are there, and those are, we are going to learn it today. Okay, so for that take your literacy skill book and come to page number 8080. So children, see, total how many days are there in a week? In a week, 7 days of the week. In a week, total 7 days are there. So 7 days of the week, those are, can you see this cycle? Yes, look at this cycle very carefully. Okay, so in a week, first day will come Monday. Okay, first day will come Monday. After Monday, total in week how many days are there? 7 days are there. And what are the names of those 7 days? Total week में कितने दिन होते हैं? 7 दिन होते हैं, 7 days होते हैं. तो वो जो 7 days है उनके क्या नाम है? कुछ नाम है ना? Those are, पहला जो डे आता है in a week, first day will come, the name of that day is Monday. जो पहला दिन आता है वीक का उसका नाम है Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. What? M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Okay, now second day of the week. Second day of the week. See children, look this picture very carefully. This cycle is very important. You have to understand this cycle. Okay, so listen it very carefully. Number 1, day 1. Okay, next. Day 1 Monday, day 2. Day 2. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. What? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Okay. Now third day. What? Third day. After Thursday, sorry, after Monday, number 1, Monday. Second day of the week is Tuesday. Third day of the week is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Now children, after Wednesday in the week, fourth day will come Thursday. After Wednesday, which day will come? Fourth day will be Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Number 1, Monday. Second day, Tuesday. Third day, Wednesday. Fourth day, Tuesday. Sorry, fourth day, Thursday. Now after Thursday, fifth day will be Friday. Fifth day will be Friday. In a week, fifth day will be Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. What? Friday. Friday. After Friday, which day will come? Number 6. Which day will come after Friday? Come on, tell me. Yes, Saturday. What is this? Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. After Friday, which day will come? Number 6 will be Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Okay. After Saturday, last day of the week. Last day of the week, which is Sunday. Sunday को हम सबको हॉलीडे होता है, right? So Saturday, Sunday, these are the weekends. So after Saturday, which day will come? Sunday. 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 Okay children, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days are there in a week. Those are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Number 6 will be Saturday and number 7 will be Sunday. So have you understood this circle? कौन से दिन के बाद, कौन सा दिन, कौन से डे के बाद कौन सा डे आता है, आपको समझ में आया? डेज ऑफ द वीक समझ में आया आपको? एंड द सीक्वेंस, I hope you have understood the sequence. Listen it one more time. Number 1, Monday. After Monday, Tuesday will come. Number 2. Number 3, after Tuesday, which day will come? Wednesday. After Wednesday, number 4, Thursday will come. After Thursday, in a week, number 5th, which is Friday. In a week, total 7 days are there. So number 6 will be after Friday. Which day will come? Saturday. And after Saturday, last day, which will come? Sunday. Okay children, now take your literacy skill book and come to page number 8080. Okay? Yes? Okay. See, our new content is days of the week. What is this? Days of the week. Yes, days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Week में कितने दिन होते हैं टोटल? 7. Okay, so this is the chart of days of the week. Days of the week. Okay, now children, if you will see, from Monday to Saturday, days of the week are there. Yes, so number 1 will be, which is number 1? Number 1 is Monday. Number 2, say, repeat after teacher, Tuesday. Yes. Number 3, Wednesday. Number 4, Thursday. Number 5, Friday. Number 6, Saturday. Write the numbers. And lastly, number 7, Sunday. Now children, do you know how you are going to read these words? How you are going to read this days of the week? See, first of all, repeat after me. Say, days of the week. As I told you in the previous session that directly we are going to read the sentences. We are not going to read the letters. But here I am going to show you the method to how to read the word. Okay children? Say, days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. पूरे सप्ताह में कितने दिन होते हैं? 7 days. 7 days का सप्ताह होता है. सप्ताह माने वीक, वीक माने सप्ताह. 7 दिन होते हैं. So say, days of the week. Days of the week. So अभी हमें क्या करना है? जब हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ना इंग्लिश में, हमें उस शब्द के टुकड़े करने पड़ते हैं. ओके, हमें उस शब्द के टुकड़े करने के बाद जब हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, when we are going to read, that time it will be more easy to understand the word, to understand the sound. Okay, also आप क्या कर पाओगे? स्पेलिंग्स भी क्रिएट कर पाओगे, स्पेलिंग्स भी लर्न कर पाओगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट अंडरलाइन कीजिए MON एंड रिपीट आफ्टर मी. MONDAY, मंडे. टुकड़े करना है ना हमें, हर एक जो वर्ड है उसको आधा आधा करना है. इट विल बी मोर इजी टू रीड एंड टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्पेलिंग्स. ओके, आफ्टरवर्ड्स ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट द स्पेलिंग्स प्रॉपरली एंड करेक्टली. MONDAY, Monday. TUES DAY. Tuesday. TUES DAY. Tuesday. WED NES DAY. Wednesday. WED NES DAY. Wednesday. THURS DAY. Thursday. THURS DAY. Thursday. FRI DAY. Friday. FRI DAY. Friday. SAT UR DAY. Saturday. SAT UR DAY. Saturday. SUN Sun DAY Day. Sunday. SUN Sun DAY Day. Sunday. One more time. MON DAY. Monday. TUES DAY. Wednesday. Tuesday. WED NES DAY. Wednesday. THUR THURS DAY. Thursday. FRI DAY. Friday. SAT UR DAY. Saturday. SUN DAY. Sunday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days. Okay, and these are the sequence. Now children, come to page number 8181. Okay, now come to page number 8181. Yes, sharp your pencil. Okay, now children, what is this? This is one practice sheet is there. Days of the week. Number the days of the week in the correct order. Okay, if you will see here, these are the days and below these days boxes are given. What we are going to do is first से लेके number 7 तक जो days of the week है उसके हमें sequence लिखना है, तो उसके numbers हमें लिखना है. ओके, ये जो वीक है ना पूरा यहाँ पे जो दिया हुआ days of the week है, करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिखना है. We are going to write the numbers. Okay, now children tell me, first which day will come in a week? Yes, come on. Remember? Yes, Monday. Write here number 1. Monday. Write number 1. Now number 2. After Monday, which day will come? Monday. Tuesday. TUES DAY. Tuesday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Repeat after teacher. Now write here number 2. Next, Monday, Tuesday. After Tuesday, which day will come? Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So where is the Wednesday? Here it is. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Write number 3. Next, number 4. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Number 4 will be Thursday. So here it is Thursday, Thursday. Next, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Number 5th. After Thursday, which day will come? Thursday and Friday. Very good. Where it is? Friday, Friday. Okay. Now see children, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. After Friday, which day will come? Number 6. Yes, 6th number will be Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. And last, which one is remaining? Sunday. So which number we should write here? Number 7. Very good. Number 7 we are going to write, है ना? So say Monday. Number 1 Monday. Number 2 Tuesday. Number 3 Wednesday. Number 4 Thursday. Number 5 Friday. Number 6, yes, which day? Yes, Saturday. And last number 7 will be Sunday. Very nice. Now I hope till here you have completed. Now come to page number 8 to 82. I hope you have opened this page, all of you. Sharpen your pencil one more time. Yes. Now children, write the name of the days of the week. Write the names of the days of the week. अभी यहाँ पे एक प्रैक्टिस शीट दी गई है. हमने जो now we have learned days of the week. How many days are there total? 7 days are there, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Those days we are going to write over here. Okay. So children, this will be your homework. Write here HW, homework. Okay, you have to complete this by your own. Okay children, so this will be your homework. First, which day will come? Monday. Second, Tuesday. Third, Monday, Tuesday. Here, Wednesday. Fourth, come on, say Thursday. Number 5. After Thursday, which day will come? Friday. After Friday, number 6, which day will come? Saturday. And after Saturday, Sunday. Yes. So this will be your homework, all of you. Okay. Now come to page number 8484. Sorry, 8383. Come to page number 8383. Okay, have you opened this page? Yes, this is a practice sheet. Fill in the blanks. Repeat after teacher. Fill in the blanks. Okay, now children, यहाँ पे F दिया गया है. Okay, dash dash comes before Saturday. Okay. So children, have you opened this page? Page number 8383. If you will see here, capital letter F is there. Okay, and these are the space, these are the boxes which is blank. Dash dash comes before Saturday. Now children, keep one thing in your mind. Here is Saturday is there. Now tell me, before Saturday which day will come? Saturday के पहले कौन सा दिन आएगा? Come on, see here. Monday, Tuesday. Repeat after teacher. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So before Saturday which day will come? Saturday पहले कौन सा दिन आएगा? Friday. So if you will see here capital letter F, here also capital letter F. So now you understood which day will come. Right here Friday. 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 Say and write Friday. So children, tell me, before Saturday which day will come? Friday. Yes, very good. Now number 2. Number 2 is Wednesday. Wednesday comes after what? Wednesday के बाद कौन सा दिन आएगा? Come on. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So after Wednesday comes after Thursday, है ना? So children, number 2, Wednesday comes after T. Now listen here. Okay, now use your logic. See children, dash dash comes before Saturday. Before माने पहला. Saturday के पहले जो दिन आता है वो हमने यहाँ पर लिखा है. But if you will read this sentence, Wednesday comes after. Wednesday जो है ये कौन से दिन के पहले आता है? After माने दिन के पहले. Okay, so Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Okay, Wednesday जो दिन है ना वो कौन से दिन के बाद आता है? Before माने पहला, after माने बाद में. तो ये जो Wednesday है, Wednesday बाद में आता है, लेकिन उसके पहले कौन सा दिन आता है? Tuesday. So Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Wednesday का बाद कब आता है? Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Tuesday के बाद Wednesday आता है. So write here TUES DAY Tuesday. Wednesday के पहले Tuesday आता है और Tuesday के बाद क्या आता है? Wednesday. So Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Tuesday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? Wednesday. Okay. Now come to number 3. Dash dash comes between Friday and Sunday. Now children, ये देखिए, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Friday और Sunday के बीच में, between माने बीच में. Okay, Friday और Sunday के बीच में जो दिन आता है वो कौन सा है? Saturday. ये हो गया Friday. यहाँ पे Saturday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. तो Friday और Sunday के बीच में कौन सा दिन है? Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. तो बच्चों सी Friday और Sunday के बीच में जो दिन आता है वो कौन सा है? Saturday. So write here SATURDAY. Saturday. Okay. Now dash dash comes before Thursday. ये आपको लिखना है. So this will be your HW. Okay. Now children, take your English workbook. So children, take your literacy workbook and come to page number 3 to 32. Days of the week. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Now here is one worksheet is there. You have to solve it. Okay. So write here HW. Yes. So this will be your HW. So children, I hope till here you have understood. Today which content we have learned, that is from literacy skill book, and the name of content is days of the week. And children, I hope you understand days of the week. Okay, so there are some more content which we are going to learn to the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.